Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple but essential task in Xero, how to add your business expenses. Keeping track of your spending is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and understanding your business's financial health. We'll make it super easy for you by covering the step-by-step process of entering a new expense, categorizing it correctly, and even attaching your receipt. Let's dive right in. The quickest way to add an expense is by using the plus icon you see at the top right of your Xero dashboard. When you click that plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. For tracking expenses, you'll typically choose either bill or expense. A bill is for an invoice you've received from a supplier that you need to pay later. An expense is for when you've already paid for something, perhaps with a company debit card or your own money that needs to be reimbursed. For this tutorial, let's focus on entering a bill, as it's a very common task. Go ahead and click on Bill. This opens a new bill form, which looks a lot like an invoice. First, you need to enter who the bill is from. In the From field, start typing the name of your supplier. If it's a new supplier, you can add their details right here. Next, fill in the date, which should be the date on the invoice, and the due date, which is when the payment is due. The reference field is the perfect place to put the supplier's invoice number, as this helps you match payments later on. Now, let's move down to the main section of the form where you describe what you bought. In the description box, type in a clear summary of the item or service, for example, monthly office internet or new office printer. Then, enter the quantity and the unit price, and Xero will calculate the total amount for you. The next field, account, is one of the most important. This is where you tell Xero what kind of expense it is for your accounting. Click the drop-down menu to see your chart of accounts and pick the right category, like advertising, office expenses, or travel. Choosing the correct account is vital for accurate financial reports. Also, make sure the tax rate is correct for your region. Before you finish, don't forget to attach a copy of your receipt or invoice. This is a best practice for good record keeping. Look for the little paperclip icon or the Attach Files button. You can drag and drop a file or browse your computer to upload a PDF or an image of the receipt. Once you've filled everything out, you have a few options at the bottom. You can save as draft if you need to come back to it later, click Approve if everything is correct and ready for payment, or choose Approve and add another if you have more bills to enter. Clicking Approve moves the bill into your awaiting payment list, so you can easily see what you owe. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense to Xero. By following these simple steps, you can keep your financial records clean, organized, and up to date. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and business tips. We'll see you in the next video.